Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Happy midday to you folks. This is Storm Track 7 meteorologist Robbie Camidari. It was quite the active overnight period into this morning, but a lot of that is beginning to finally move out across the far northeastern counties, as you can see. Still lingering around over Clayton and Butte County, but again, it is moving out. Most of the afternoon should feature drier conditions. Can't rule out an isolated storm or two. We'll look at that on Future Track here in just a moment. But after midnight tonight, we're going to be tracking more rounds of storms, some possibly severe, especially into tomorrow afternoon and evening. Again, we'll look at that in Future Track. But for now, temperature is mostly in the upper 60s to near 70. We'll see them warm up quite a bit. I'll show you those numbers again in just a moment here. But again, with Future Track, here we are again. This warm front is going to be shifting slowly to the north and kind of become stationary as we head into late this afternoon and evening. And it's along this focal point, along this boundary that we're talking about, that we can see some more storms develop again after the midnight time frame. You're already starting to see them form again right after midnight or right around midnight later on tonight off to our west. And they'll kind of focus around that area, and they could shift a little bit more southward, or extend southward, I should say, through the overnight period into early tomorrow morning. As you can see, some of these do have the potential to be strong to severe. I'll show you again that in just a second here. But as you move throughout the rest of the morning, multiple rounds of strong to severe storms are going to be possible. Here we are, again, the mid-morning time frame, 10, 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. Begin shifting off and weakening a little bit, but the main story that we're going to be looking at, the main threat for severe weather, is actually tomorrow afternoon and evening. It's going to be associated with the cold front associated with the area of low pressure that's going to be moving to our north and to our east. And that's going to progress through as we head through the evening time frame. Should be out of here by the midnight time frame, at least for those far eastern areas later tomorrow evening, or tomorrow night, I should say. All of this being said, all things considered, we do this yellow alert day, not for today now, rather for tonight and into the day tomorrow, into tomorrow evening. Again, we're tracking multiple rounds of strong to severe storms as a possibility. I mean, here's the lookout for today and tonight. Again, this is mostly for tonight at this rate. But again, along that boundary, we should start to see some showers and storms develop, some strong to severe after midnight tonight. But that main threat, you see the level 3 out of 5 orange risk, pretty wide area, as you can see. Pretty expansive overall. Again, that's for tomorrow afternoon to the evening. Tonight, the main threats will be damaging winds and some larger hail. Cannot rule out an isolated tornado or two, but as we head into the day tomorrow, again, the primary threat we're looking at, say anywhere after 4 p.m., it looks to work into the area. All hazards are going to be on the table. That includes tornadoes, damaging wind gusts, and large hail as well. So everything's on the table there for tomorrow afternoon and evening. Make sure you do have multiple ways to receive your warnings, especially overnight tonight and throughout tomorrow. Now, to sum all this up, again, in terms of our temperatures today, mostly upper 70s to lower 80s across the board. It will feel pretty humid out there as well throughout the rest of the afternoon. Tonight, again, after midnight, storm chances go up, some strong to severe. Lows by tomorrow morning, mainly in the lower to middle 60s. Winds take on more of a southeasterly direction. Blow out of the south tomorrow, pretty windy conditions. Could see some gusts upwards of 35 miles an hour. Highs pretty warm overall, upper 70s to upper 80s, and more humid conditions in store. Now, after tomorrow, heading to Wednesday, of course, begin to dry out, a little bit cooler as well. Highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s. Under a mix of sun and clouds, mostly sunny by Thursday as we enter the back half of the work week here. Then heading into the end of the work week on Friday and through the weekend, we're going to be tracking a few more chances for some scattered showers and storms.